Today I'm going to talk about creating a optical illusion. It's called the phi phenomena. It's an optical illusion that you would see in the Gestalt process, where we see a one-dimensional object appear as if it's moving. So I'm going to go ahead and create this in Adobe Illustrator. So I've created a new artboard, and I'm going to be making a ellipse tool or an ellipse with my tool. So I'm going to create one circle, copy this circle, turn it to a different color, decrease the size of this circle while holding the shift button down and placing these objects so that it appears that there's a thicker side and a thinner side. I'm going to highlight these images and use my Pathfinder tool to minus the front. I'm then going to use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle in front. Selecting these two images, I'm going to minus the front again. I'm going to copy this, rotate this, adjoin these so that they're together. And use my arrow tools on my keyboard to make sure that they're nice and even. Before uniting these, I'm going to select the corners here with my direct selection tool on the toolbar. So that's this white one. Find this corner and pull this radius in. And I'll do that to both of these. Click on the anchor curvature and pull this in. And I'm going all the way with these so that they're like in balance. I'm then going to unite these with my Pathfinder tool. I'm going to select these tools, go to my effect, distort and transform. I'm going to set this at like 96, both on the horizontal and vertical. I'm then going to make about 30 copies. I'll say 33. And you can see by doing this, I'm starting to move these images. So you can kind of play around with these tools till you get this kind of rotation happening. So I'm going to pull these down to the 70s. So maybe 77. They should be equal, horizontal, vertical. You want to make that change after you've put the copies in, because this may or may not appear based on your graphics card. I'm then going to rotate my angle and sort of spin this around. And mine starts to create this spiral effect when I'm rotating it to 203 degrees. And you can see that I'm getting different effects if I go to 168. So you're going to want to rotate this till your graphic looks like something that you can use for your project. So we're just getting this rotation effect, maybe as if you're in the eye of a hurricane, so to speak. So maybe at 18 degrees, I can leave this at, and I'll say, okay, I can then add some color to it, turn it into a different graphic. Just by changing color, it gives it a different effect. So that's an example of using the Pathfinder tool, the effects of rotation, and creating a phenomena as your optical illusion, or within the Gestalt theory. Hope you had fun, and good luck with your process.